in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually format your Newmax decoder to actually get newer settings on it. So all you got to do is to pick up your remote and you press on the menu button on the remote. Use the arrow keys to actually navigate through the menu, and then you put it on settings. So you look through the menu, you put it on settings, you press OK on it, and here you need to come down to select the factory reset. That's where you're going to use to format your decoder to get newer settings on the decoder. So if the channels are messed up or you are facing some difficulty on your Newmax decoder, all you have to do is to format the decoder to actually get fresh settings. So all you have to do is to select the restore all over here, and then you proceed. So here you have to confirm with the default code on your decoder, which is supposed to be 4 zeros. If no one have ever changed, it's supposed to be 4 zeros. So you type in 0000 and it's gonna open up. So here the resetting is being done and everything is being fresh on your decoder, and you have to proceed to scan the decoder to get newer channels on your decoder. So that's it. I have a video on the channel that will be guiding you through what channel or which channels that you are trying to get after formatting your decoder. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.